Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to let Facebook access your camera on PC after the latest update, you're in the right video. We'll walk through the steps clearly so you can start video chats, live streams, or quick camera checks without a hitch. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. You'll land on your main feed, ready to explore, post, or message friends. At the top of the page, look for the three dots. These three little dots are your shortcut to more options. Click them to reveal a compact menu. From there, select App Info. This opens a dedicated hub for the Facebook app itself, where you can manage how the app interacts with your computer. In that window, find and open Settings. This is where permission controls live, giving you granular control over what Facebook can access. Under Permissions, you'll see a list of capabilities the app might request. Look for More Settings Permissions and click into it. This is where Facebook asks you to confirm whether it can use features like your camera. You're almost there. Next to Camera, choose Allow. This tiny toggle or button is the key that lets Facebook reach your PC's camera. Once you've switched it to Allow, Facebook gains the permission to access the camera whenever you're using video features within the app. If anything prompts you to confirm or enter your system password, go ahead and do that. Your security settings might require an extra step to apply these changes. After you confirm, you're all set. You can now start a video call, join a live session, or test your camera within Facebook without interruptions. A quick tip: if you ever run into issues after updating, double check that your camera isn't being blocked by privacy settings in Windows. Sometimes a system level toggle can override app permissions. Also, ensure your browser or the Facebook desktop app is up to date to avoid compatibility hiccups. That's everything you need to know to grant Facebook access to your camera on PC with the latest update. With permissions in place, your video experiences on Facebook will be smooth, secure, and ready whenever you want to connect with friends, family, or followers. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.